Today we're going to take a look at how to assign Google files directly inside Canvas, where it'll make a copy for each student and be very easy for the students to turn them into you to use in SpeedGrader. Now, a couple things we're going to assume that you're kind of used to doing, basic things inside Canvas, and you have to make sure you connect your Google account to Canvas. All right, so we are inside assignments. We're going to create a new assignment. And of course, we are going to give the assignment a name. And we would put a description in here of the assignment. Make sure we give kids any instructions they need to know. And now here is the important part. For submission type, we're going to change this to external tool. And then we're going to choose find. Now, one thing I will add is if you are not in Spartanburg 2, if you're in another district, your institution has to make this connection before this will work. So you'll want to check with them if you don't see this. But for Spartanburg 2 folks, you'll see Google Docs Cloud Assignment. So you can just dig through your files and folders through here, but it also has a great search engine. So I know that the one I'm looking for is English assignment. And here it is right here. So I'm going to choose it, click submit. And then I'm going to choose select again. So we'll make sure everything else is right. I'm going to add some points. And we're going to click save and publish. All right, so here is our description area, and of course we could have more things in here, but here's what I love. Down below here, it's going to automatically embed this document inside the Canvas assignment for the students. And right here, there is a link to the exact same document. So if a student clicks here, it just opens up in regular old Google Docs. They can make any kind of changes here. And when you go back here, it is going to sync with that just like a regular Google Doc would. So the other thing that's important about this is students will have a submit button here. So whenever they're ready, they just click that submit button. And what that will do is take a snapshot that will go into SpeedGrader. You can provide feedback as the teacher, and then they can see that feedback. And then if you want to have multiple versions of it, they submit a rough draft, maybe a second rough draft and a final draft. Each of those versions can be submitted. All the versions are saved inside SpeedGrader, and you can go back and easily look at the various drafts along with your feedback. So it works a little bit differently than Google Classroom, has some advantages to the way that it does it. Don't necessarily have that real-time view, though, that some people like inside Google Classroom. But pretty nice tool, and hope you enjoy using it inside Canvas.